Hey everyone, it's Justine. Welcome to the wedding season collection. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like there are so few wedding supplies out there these days. So let's look at this new collection in detail and a bunch of cards I made as samples. Don't forget you can download free inspiration and a guide over at justinehovey.com/free. Here we have the happy couple. It's our first stamp set. It's an A5 stamp set, and you can see here you have a bride, a groom, you have some little accessories to go with each one of them. And of course you can do bride, bride, groom, groom, whatever the combination might be, because they are on separate stamps and they are a really big size. So you can really have them almost as a background, heat embossed, or you could have them, stamped and colored, whichever you prefer. So there's lots of possibilities there. Now, I wanted to include a bunch of sentiments that are more on the sassy side. So this is the Sassy Sentiments Love and Marriage A5 stamp set. You can see here all the different sentiments. There's a great variety of fonts, and I have some sentiments like "You're engaged now, the real fun begins, wedding planning, welcome to the so when are you having a baby club, engagement when I love you turns into I love you but we need to talk about the guest list." So just some really kind of fun, playful sentiments there. And I thought that would be really helpful for those, who you want to send a little bit more of a humorous card to. All right, so next up is the You and Me set. You can see we have coordinating dies for these three ands here, or ampersands. And here we have a whole bunch of different combinations that you can make. You have bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs., Mr. and Mr., Mrs. and Mrs., groom and groom, bride and groom, whatever you want. It's all inclusive and it's all ready for you. So you have everything you can possibly need, including some words like happiness, love. We have forever in a script, love and. Just so you have a little bit of a variety when it comes to the fonts. Then we're going to go into the dies. So we have several dies here, including congratulations, oh my God, finally, just married, be mine, engaged, congratulations, and always and forever. And for me, it's really important that when I do die sets like this one, that they connect so that it all comes out in one piece and I'm not gluing individual letters. So that's why they are designed this way, and they're really beautiful variety of fonts, again, for the fronts of your cards. Next up, we have the Heaps of Hearts 18-piece die set. So you can see you get all of these different hearts. This is such a versatile set and such a great basic set to have in your stash, because you could use a lot of these for confetti, for embellishments. You can use them as backgrounds. You can use them as main focus for your cards. There's just so many possibilities of combining these, whether it is the focus of your card or just some additional embellishments. So we have Rings and Things. This is an 8-piece die set. We have rings and champagne flutes, and we have just married, happily ever after, congratulations, forever and ever. And you have the 2 rings together and 2 champagne flutes. So that will complete, I think, everything you need for a wedding card or engagement. Here we go. We have the last product here, and it's a Clustered Hearts hot foil die set. So this is a really large die set, or hot foil set, I should say, with some really nice solid hearts here, solid outlines. So you can see it's not a solid heart, it's a solid outline, but it's really thick layers on that. And I think it's going to look beautiful as a background on your cards or a focal point. And it's going to look fantastic when it is all hot foiled. So I hope you enjoyed this collection as much as I enjoyed creating it. Be sure to tag CraftStash and Justine Hovey in your posts so we can see what you create when it arrives at your door.